Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Do me a favor before we get started. I need for you to hit this like button if you're not a subscriber. I need you to do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, click on the pin link, and I need for you to sign the petition, and I need for you to donate. All right. So today we're going to talk about trading, trading to millions. But before we talk about it, I'm gonna tell you something real funny. So I have a TubeBuddy, right? So you're probably familiar with TubeBuddy, right? So you can type in titles and see how good the title is based on what people are searching for. So I typed in this title that I have below, right? And it gave me a fair rating. And then I typed in the new 2024 dance, and that got good rating. So I thought that was funny, right? That's what people are interested in: dance, entertainment, fun. So very interesting. So anyway, do you guys have TubeBuddy or do you use vidIQ? Which one? I'm thinking I might get rid of my TubeBuddy because I am not really focused on what people want. I'm focused on what people need. All right. So anyway, so trading to millions. So as far as trading goes, thank you for your response, Opal. As far as trading goes, do any of you trade currently, or are you a long-term investor? Which one, or are you doing both? So as far as trading goes, this is something it's interesting and it's fun, but it is not really my primary. I believe in diversification. So the primaries would be more like setting up a business and then having YouTube and then real estate for long term wealth. But trading is a little something on the side that is fun. And some people trade to millions. Of course, trading is very risky if you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, then you are losing money. So, do you know any traders? Can you pick up the phone and call a trader? All right. So, something is happening. Earnings are coming up. So, earnings, you may be familiar. This is when all the companies they look and see how well they're doing profit wise, right? And they report their earnings. So there are several companies reporting earnings this week. To name a few, Apple is up, Amazon, Meta, Exxon Mobil, SoFi, Microsoft, AMD, Starbucks, to name a few. These are some of the companies that are up for earnings this week. Okay. And so what happens with earnings in the event that they have a successful earnings result, the stock shoots up. So there are certain stocks that traders are looking at. Of course, some they will share with you, others they will keep private. So today is Sunday. So the market opens up tomorrow and the traders are ready. They know what companies are going for earnings and they are looking at, I will name a few: Meta, Google, Microsoft. So those are a few. And those are expected to shoot up sky high. The traders are ready. The market opens on Monday. They will go in, they will make their money and get out. So take their profit. So it's an interesting way of making money. I think it's a very interesting way of making money, especially if you know what you're doing. So you're in, the stock shoots up sky high, and then you're out. Depending on how much money you put in, you will get a certain amount of money out. For example, last week, I made $500 and it took 30 minutes to make it. So it's a very interesting way to make money. Of course, I wouldn't put all my eggs in one basket. Like I said before, um, setting up a business is important. Outside of YouTube, so you have YouTube, but then setting up another business is important, and then buying property on a regular basis to build wealth and to build your financial stability. But some people out here are trading their way to millions. During the pandemic, some people were doing that off of Tesla, and they did it with Tesla stock alone, right? So people who are in the know, that's what they did. So I just think it's interesting because, um, first of all, it's fun. Second of all, a lot of people don't know about it. Third of all, if people did know about it, they wouldn't be interested. People are interested in other things. So that's what's going on. Earnings are coming up this week. Traders already have an idea of what they're getting ready to trade. They're getting ready to get in and get out, make their money, and go on with their lives and get ready for the next trade. So very interesting. So that's all I wanted to say, basically. Um, if you're interested in learning how to trade, just remember that it is risky, and this will be something to do on the side, like your little play money, right? This is not money. This is not your mortgage money, not your rent money. Just a little play money, like $200, for example, or maybe even $100, and see if you can build that, because that's how they do. So you have this money, it starts here, and you're building it. So maybe you start with $200 and you build it to 1,000, and now you're building it to 5,000, and now you're building it to 10,000, like that, in increments. So just a little play money on the side, because it is risky. You can lose your money like this, right? But it's interesting, it's fun, and it's interesting to see if you can build that account. I think it's a nice challenge. So is anybody taking that challenge by chance? There are probably some traders watching me right now who have already created their millions. But I'd like to know if there are any newbies out here who are doing it. You have your little play money on the side, like $200. keep it in mind that this is risky. So you're not doing stuff like putting a whole bunch of money into it, because with trading, um, the markets will be like, thank you, just like that, right? So do me a favor before you leave. I need for you to hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, don't forget the pin link. I need for you to sign the petition, and I need for you to donate. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day. And don't forget, hit that like button on your way out. All right. Bye for now.